Got these casters in today, and I'm gonna put them on a router table that only has 2 wheels on it currently. All 4 of them are swivel, so I should be able to move this around really easy. These tires are supposed to be very quiet, and I believe all 4 of them together should support 600 pounds. They each have a brake on them, so you can stop it from rolling when you don't want it to roll. And it comes with a pack of screws and washers, and a screwdriver to install it in case you don't have any power tools. I'm going to be putting the casters on the bottom of this router table, so I have to get all my bits out of here. All right, now that it's emptied out, I can tip it over and work on the bottom. As you can see, it only has 2 casters on there on one side, so it doesn't roll very well. The new casters are about 3 inches tall. All right, got all those off, so now we can get the new ones on. Well, they glued that on there. So we're just going to put 1 screw in to hold it in place. What makes it nice is these screws are only 1 inch long, so they shouldn't really come through the bottom of my 1/2 inch plywood, because I have 2 pieces of 1/2 inch plywood thickness here. Okay, now we can just pre-drill all of our other holes. You always want to pre-drill because it will stop your wood from splitting if there's a chance of it. Okay, now we're just putting screws in. This rim is around here, so I won't be able to get to my foot locks. I may have to take these off later to get to it, but I'm just showing you guys how you mount your wheels here. So we're gonna do the same process 3 more times. All 4 wheels are on. Now I just got to knock this rim off the outside. All right, set this up and see how it rolls around. And if you want to lock your brakes, you just step on the brake here, and then it won't roll anymore. Just like that. After I got that outside rim off, I decided to place these more square and closer to the edge there, so I can have that brake come out past the edge of the cabinet. Should work a lot better. Yeah, perfect. Some of those screws are poking through just a little bit. I actually bought this router table at an auction, so I haven't used a lot of this stuff. But it's nice to have something already pre-built. Now it has some nice wheels on it, so I can move it around in my shop to work on things.